Every single week, a new AI video tool shows up claiming it's free. Free AI videos, free cinematic animation, unlimited generations. But the moment you sign up, you hit a paywall. And after wasting hours testing platforms, creating accounts, and moving between tools, you realize you still don't actually own anything. You're building on rented software. That's exactly why in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI video generation app from scratch. Not just use one, build one. An app that lets you generate cinematic AI videos using images and prompts, with your own interface, your own workflow, your own branding, and a system designed to generate AI videos without the ridiculous restrictions most platforms put on you. And listen carefully. Do not skip ahead. Do not rush to sign up for random AI tools before finishing this video. Seriously, because most people mess this up at the beginning. They watch 2 minutes, jump into random platforms, and then get completely stuck halfway through the setup. By the time they come back to the tutorial, nothing works properly anymore. So watch this carefully first, because I'm going to show you the full blueprint. And honestly, what we're building today looks like something a startup would charge thousands of dollars for. Users will be able to upload a single image, describe an animation, generate a cinematic AI prompt, turn that image into a moving AI video, preview it, and download it directly inside the app. Basically, your own version of Runway, Kling, or Pika, except you control it. And the craziest part? You no longer need to be an expert developer to build apps like this. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how people are creating AI startups right now using tools that barely existed a year ago. Now, let's build your AI animation studio. Alright, so open up your browser and head over to Google. Search for Opal and click on the website. Once the page loads, it's going to ask you to sign in. Just use your regular Google account and continue. Now you're inside the engine. The platform comes with a lot of features and options, but don't get distracted by everything on the screen because what we need is somewhere else. Go ahead and click on Create New Project, and don't let the developer-style interface intimidate you. You do not need to write a single line of Python, code, or anything technical. As you can see right there on the screen, it literally says, "Let's build your app." This is where the magic starts. In the description of this video, I've provided a master prompt. Copy that prompt, paste it directly into the input box, and hit Generate. Now just sit back and watch what happens. Opal will begin building your application in real time. It automatically assembles the UI, creates the buttons, uploads sections, video player, controls, and the entire workflow, all from that single prompt. Within about 30 seconds to a minute, you've gone from a completely blank screen to a fully functional AI video studio. No coding, no setup headaches, no complicated configuration. It's honestly that simple. Now let's test whether this thing actually works. As you can see, the app is already ready. In this example, the generated app is called Animation Studio. Once your app appears, move over to the top section and switch from editor mode to app mode. Now click Start. The first thing we need is an image. Upload any image directly from your device. Once the image is uploaded, click Submit. Next, we need to tell the AI what we want the animation to do. And this part is important. Don't just type something generic like animate this. Be detailed and specific about the motion or interaction you want to see. For example, the woman should walk up to another passenger and exchange pleasantries. The more specific your animation prompt is, the better and more cinematic the result tends to be. Once your prompt is ready, click Submit again and let the AI handle the rest. There you go. Generation has started. Because you're using the API backend through local, rendering is often significantly faster compared to using the public key version. That means you usually won't be waiting long. Alright, now let's check the result.
Good afternoon. Would you mind if I shared this seat with you?
And honestly, the quality is incredible. The generation looks clean, smooth, and surprisingly professional. No watermarks, no ugly compression, just pure, high-quality pixels. Once your video is ready, you can simply hit the download button and save it directly to your device. And if you want to create another animation, just click the redo button at the top and generate again instantly. We already tested a human character, and the results came out amazing, so now let's try something different. A cat image. Upload a picture of a cat and use a prompt like, "The cat should be playing with the ball." Then click Generate. As you can see, the output still looks really good. The motion feels natural, the animation is smooth, and the AI does a great job interpreting the scene. At this point, you can go ahead and pin the browser tab or bookmark the app. That way your setup stays active and ready to use whenever you come back. You don't have to rebuild everything the next day. You can simply wake up, upload an image, type a prompt, and start creating instantly. It basically becomes your own personal AI production studio running in the browser. Now, in case you ever run into limits or restrictions, there's an easy workaround. Simply repeat the exact same process and create another app using local again. You can also share your app with friends, family, or your audience. Just click the share button, change the access setting to anyone with the link, and copy the generated link. Send that link to anyone you want, and they'll also be able to use your app to generate unlimited AI videos completely for free.